Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, go inside. Hood latch is way down here. By your left foot. Hood release for the safety is under here. Lift it up. Hood has two positions. There's one here. It also has a service position down here. Push the hood way open so you don't bump your head into the hood. Remove this plastic cover. There's four 10mm nuts on top. Use a socket, extension, and ratchet to remove them. Get a little shoulder. They're actually a bolt with what looks like a nut on top. They have a little shoulder on them. I'll put these bolts aside so I don't lose them. Lift the plastic cover off the engine. Underneath it are your coils. All four coils can be removed in the same way. Push down on the coil, on the connector lock. Pull the connector off. There's a 10mm bolt holding the coil to the top of the valve cover. Break that free. Put that aside. Coil pack should lift straight up off the spark plug, out of the valve cover, and out of the head. Install your new coil pack. Push it right down into the opening and onto the spark plug. It'll slide right into place. Reinstall the bolt. Torque is 7.8 foot-pounds. It's very light. I'm just going to do it by hand. Once I feel it get tight, I will stop. Just like that. Plug the connector back in. It'll click when it's locked into place. And I'll just repeat this for the other three. All right. Reinstall the plastic cover. Put these shoulder bolts back in. Just tighten them up. Not too much. They're only holding on the plastic and you don't want to crack the aluminum valve cover. So once you feel them get tight, just stop. Put the prop rod back in its spot. They're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.